Pollution in the Tijuana River is nothing new. It's been going on for decades. I mean, it's been going on since the 1930s. And the pollution we're talking about is raw sewage, trash, toxic chemicals, and sedimentation. Right now, our beaches have been closed over 200 days this year on the south end of our beach. That's 8 months of beach closures in the southern part of our beach. We approached the International Boundary and Water Commission, which is the federal agency that deals with boundary and water issues. I mean, it's in their name what they're supposed to do. And said, hey, these are solutions, what are you going to do about it? And they basically said, we're not doing anything. The local leaders have finally said they've had enough. There's Clean Water Act violations that are clearly being broken and not being enforced on federal waters. Our local agencies brought together a group and we filed lawsuit against the federal government saying, hey, we have to comply with Clean Water Act violations. You guys have to comply with Clean Water Act violations. What we're asking for is a stormwater diversion system on the main channel of Tijuana River, because that's where the main issues are, that can handle as much flow as possible. And what that leads up to being built is a diversion system that can handle 163 million gallons a day of peak flow. That ends up taking care of 95% of the pollution problems that are occurring in the Tijuana River. You're going from having 200 closures a year, we're going to be probably 12. Treating wastewater and trash is not hard. Every modern community deals with this issue. It's not complicated. What we just need is money to do it and the political will behind it. The problem with the sewer system in Tijuana is every single pump station is broken. Every single one needs to be replaced. Every single one is not being maintained. And if they are being replaced, they're being replaced with crappy parts. I'm reasonably optimistic that something's gonna happen on the Mexican side of the border. Because in reality, Mexico is hurting for water. And what they're doing is they're treating this wastewater and dumping it back in the Tijuana River, and then that mixes with raw sewage. It's not benign stuff. It's not just bacteria and sewage coming across. It's industrial waste that's coming across that needs to be addressed.